Good morning. I hope you're doing awesome. I swish it around for 30 seconds. To swish something around means to move it around. And we use that verb usually when talking about something that is liquid, like water or mouthwash, that you move back and forth very quickly. So, when you put the mouthwash in your mouth, usually you take your sides of your mouth, what we would call your your cheeks, and you move them back and forth so that the mouthwash covers and cleans all of your teeth. After I swish it around, I gargle. The verb to gargle means to take water and to put it into the back of your mouth. I will have to demonstrate this. It's easier to understand if you can hear it. So that actually is gargling. Well, after I gargle, I have to get rid of or remove the water from my mouth. And I do that by spitting. To spit means to take something that's liquid, like water, and to remove it from your mouth. Usually you make a certain sound like spitting, something like that. Well, now we've gargled and spit. I say these are not pleasant, but necessary. Not necessarily something nice, but something I have to do. After I use the mouthwash, then I get out or take out the floss. Floss is a piece of string that you put in between your teeth to clean. We call that floss. And there is a verb to floss, which means to use that little piece of string. When I'm done flossing, I pull out or take out the toothbrush and the toothpaste. The toothbrush is what we use to clean our teeth. The toothpaste is like the soap that you use to clean your teeth. But we do not call it tooth soap. It comes in a container that we call a tube. And the tube is where the toothpaste is. And you usually squeeze the tube. Squeeze is to get the toothpaste out of the tube. So I put some toothpaste on my toothbrush, then I brush. We use that verb to brush to mean to clean my teeth. But we don't say I'm going to clean my teeth. Usually we say I'm going to brush my teeth. That same verb to brush can also be used with your hair when you are trying to put your hair in a certain position. I don't brush my hair, usually because I'm always in a hurry. But I used to when I was a little younger to brush my hair. I finished brushing my teeth, so now I'm going to take a shower. There is a difference between taking a shower where the water comes from the top of the wall and goes over you, and a bath, which means to fill your bathtub with water and get in. Most of houses in the United States have the tub and the shower in one place. Some homes have a separate shower and a separate bathtub. Thank you very much.